The Supreme Court on Wednesday expressed serious concern over what it called a new type of fraud where individuals from dominant upper caste backgrounds in Haryana are allegedly converting to Buddhism solely to claim minority reservation benefits. A bench led by Chief Justice of India Surya Kant and Justice Joy Malia Bagchi was hearing a petition by Nikhil Kumar Punia from Hisar, Haryana. Punia sought admission to a postgraduate medical course under the Buddhist minority quota at Subharti Medical College in Uttar Pradesh, claiming he had converted to Buddhism. The CJI, who hails from the same region, questioned Punia's background bluntly. "You are a Punia, which Punia are you?" When counsel clarified he belonged to the Jaat Punia community, a dominant upper caste group, the CJI reacted sharply, saying, "Wow, this is a new type of fraud." The bench dismissed the plea outright, observing that such attempts could deprive genuine minorities of their rights and urged petitioners from privileged communities to take pride in merit instead. The court directed the Haryana Chief Secretary to submit a report within 2 weeks detailing the guidelines and procedures for issuing minority certificates in the state, including whether upper caste individuals can claim minority status after conversion. The matter will be considered further after the state's response to address potential misuse of minority reservation policies.